Do you know what's the meaning of used to? Do you know how to use it correctly in a sentence? Let's discover that. Mother told me father smoked a lot before the marriage. Now he doesn't smoke anymore. My father used to smoke a lot before his marriage. Smoking was his habit in the past. He no longer does that now. After used to, we always use the infinitive form. We say used to, never used to, used to, used to. Place the tip of your tongue behind the top inner part of your upper front teeth as if you produce the sound D. Then produce the plosive T sound instead. Used to. Used to. When I was at school, I wore uniform, but I'm no longer at school now. So I say I used to wear uniform when I was at school. Wear is the infinitive form of wore. Lucy ate a lot when she was pregnant. Eating a lot was one of her past habits. So we read this sentence here. Lucy used to eat a lot when she was pregnant.
People in ancient times bartered their products for goods unavailable in their land.
That was the habit of people in the past. They no longer do that. We write this sentence to express that.
People in ancient times used to barter their products for goods unavailable in their land. Ancient Egyptians plowed the earth using oxen and wooden plow.
Let's express the same idea differently.
Ancient Egyptians used to plow the earth using oxen and wooden plow. When my sister was young, she memorized hundreds of math equations. She can't do that now.
That was only a past habit.
When my sister was young, she used to memorize hundreds of math equations. Interrogative form of used to. Did Algerians used to eat rice years before? Negative form of used to. No, Algerians didn't used to eat rice years before.